Let us be honest. These days, more of us are thinking about what goes into our homes and how it affects our health, our families, and the environment. But when it comes to eco-friendly rugs, the big question is, are they actually worth the hype, or are you just spending extra for a fancy label? In this video, I'll give you a straight up, no-nonsense review of some of the most popular sustainable rugs in 2025 based on feel, durability, design, and price. Let us find out if they truly live up to their name, or not. What makes a rug eco-friendly? Now, before we get into the reviews, let us talk basics. What even makes a rug eco-friendly? It's more than just saying natural. A real sustainable rug usually ticks a few boxes. It's made from renewable or biodegradable materials, like jute, wool, cotton, or bamboo. Or it's crafted from recycled materials, like PET fibers made from plastic bottles. It avoids harsh chemicals, toxic glues, and artificial dyes that can harm both you and the planet. And ideally, it's made with ethical labor and eco-conscious production processes. But it also has to look good, feel great, and actually last through real life, kids, pets, spills, and all. Because being eco-friendly shouldn't mean compromising on comfort or style. My top 3 eco rug picks: tried, tested, and trusted. Let us jump into my top 3 picks after testing out several options for weeks. These stood out in both performance and sustainability. 1. The Jute Minimalist. If you're into neutral tones and a raw, natural texture, this one's for you. It's hand-woven, totally biodegradable, and brings a warm, earthy feel to the room. What I loved: it's super durable. Doesn't trap dust. Adds organic charm instantly. Downside: it's not plush. You want to lay on it barefoot. Best for under furniture, entryways, or decorative spots. 2. The Recycled Pet Rug. This one really surprised me. It's made from recycled plastic bottles, but honestly, you'd never know. It's soft, colorful, and water resistant. Best part: it's kid and pet friendly. Doesn't stain easily. Great for living rooms or outdoor areas. It's a little pricier than regular rugs, but you're getting durability and sustainability, which makes it a smart long-term investment. 3. Organic Wool Flat Weave. This rug is for anyone who wants that luxury feel while staying eco-conscious. Made from 100% organic wool, no synthetics, no toxins, just pure, cozy comfort. It's great for insulation, adds texture, and feels amazing under your feet. The only catch: it's high maintenance. Wool can stain, and it needs regular care to stay fresh. The honest pros and cons. Let us break it down. Pros: they're healthier for your home, no off-gassing or toxic fumes. Better for the environment, lower waste, lower impact. Many are handmade, so you get unique patterns and character. Cons: some options can be rough or scratchy. They often cost more upfront. Not all are easy to clean, especially natural wool, but here's the thing: many eco rugs last longer than their synthetic counterparts. So, over time, you might actually save money by not replacing them every couple of years. Final verdict: are they worth it? So, are eco-friendly rugs really worth it in 2025? If you care about long-term value, the health of your family, and the footprint you leave on the planet, then absolutely, yes. They're not just trendy. They're a better way to buy. That said, be smart about which one fits your lifestyle. Got kids and pets? Go for a recycled pet rug, soft, durable, and easy to clean. Want something minimal and earthy for your hallway? Jute's a great pick. Looking for warmth and elegance? The organic wool rug is a winner. Just don't expect one rug to do it all. Your turn. Alright, now it's your turn. Would you choose an eco-friendly rug for your home? Have you tried one already, and what did you think? Let us talk in the comments. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's refreshing their space this year. See you next time, and remember, style can still be sustainable.